Shocking case studies. Dashlane. Dashlane is a digital wallet and password management company that operates within the online checkouts and identity protection industries. Objective. The company wanted to communicate its value proposition quickly in the most efficient way possible. Strategy. The company needed to let people know about the usefulness of its product. So, it decided to ask its existing customer base to rate them through an email campaign. They would later use those reviews on paid ads to communicate trust through social proof. Results? The company was able to get 300 users to rate them on the initial campaign, with 97% of the reviews being 4 to 5 stars. This led to a 93% lift in click-through rate for pay-per-click ads and a 14% increase in conversion from paid landing page ads. Golf Channel. Golf Channel is a cable television network focused on golf and lifestyle programming. Objective. The channel was looking to improve its email database growth rate and to make email one of its primary customer consumption channels. Strategy. The channel's digital marketing team decided that the best way to achieving its objective was to simplify the sign-up process. So, they allowed one-click registrations within emails, easy registration with Facebook sign-in, and Lightbox registration on the channel's website. Results? The channel was able to surpass its initial growth expectations, which were set at 10%, achieving an astonishing 32% growth rate. Dormify. Dormify is a lifestyle and home decor brand and e-commerce retailer, which aims to help young adults to style their living spaces no matter how small these might be. Objective. The company needed to reorganize its email marketing efforts as it found that it was sending too many irrelevant emails to a wide client list that wasn't segmented. Strategy. The company started by segmenting its email database according to demographics. Then it started crafting highly targeted and automated welcome email series, as well as post-purchase series and abandoned cart series. Results? The company was able to generate a 92% increase in email revenue. Also, visitors that landed on its online store through emails stayed 42% longer than other visitors, and they visited 20% more pages. Dell. Dell is a U.S.-based multinational technology company. It is best known for developing, selling, repairing, and supporting computer-related products and services. Objective. The company wanted to make improvements across the board, and they identified email marketing as one of the key areas that needed to be improved upon. Strategy. Dell started by migrating to a new email service provider and recoding its email templates. The digital marketing team behind the strategy then decided to optimize the email's top navigation panel to the footer to increase template link visibility. Results? Dell achieved double-digit increases in email engagement and click-throughs generated by the primary call to action. Extra Space Storage. Extra Space Storage is a storage facility company with 1,400 storage facilities and close to 800,000 storage units across the United States. Objective. The company needed to solve two problems associated with its then current email campaigns: a 45% no-show rate of prospects who made email reservations and a large number of potential customers that were not familiar with the self-storage process. Strategy. The company used in-mail videos explaining the storage process to new customers, as well as targeted personalization to provide contextually relevant and location-based value to prospects. Results? The company achieved a massive 50% jump in email conversions, a 23% increase in mobile rentals, and a 1.3 million personalized sends per month growth. Strongwell. Strongwell is the world's largest and most recognized company in the pultrusion industry. Objective. The company needed to solve its lack of marketing automation problem, as they only had a manual subscriber database that they used to send its newsletter every 3 or 4 months. Strategy. The company started out by integrating a number of automation tools into its system, which included email marketing automation tools. Then they started to send out monthly email campaigns focused on generating business-to-business sales through push calls to action. Results? The company was able to secure a $30,000 request for quote right after implementing its email marketing strategy, with their best-performing campaign achieving a 25% unique open rate, a 4% unique click-through rate, and a 0.3% unsubscribe rate. United Capital. United Capital is a financial life management company from California. Objective: the company was looking into alternative ways to focus its email marketing efforts on the prospect journey. Strategy: the company's digital marketing team shifted the focus of its weekly newsletter that it sent to clients and prospects by repurposing the content in its company blog and merging it with the curated content in the newsletters. Results: by shifting focus to original content, the company was able to achieve a 145% increase in newsletter engagement, with a 26% open rate and a 17% click-through rate. The State Fair of Texas. The State Fair of Texas is a 130 years old, 24 days long event that usually starts on the last Friday of September and ends on the last Sunday of October. It takes place in Dallas. Objective: the event organizers and the fair's marketing team saw the need to keep their efforts fresh in order to keep people excited to attend the event with each passing year. Strategy: the team turned to email marketing to promote print-at-home tickets with contests, which they ran by incentivizing sign-ups through the opportunity to win free tickets 30, 65, and 100 days. That way, they could keep the event relevant before it got started. Results: email marketing helped the team to increase the event-generated revenue by 30%. They also were able to sell 25,000 more tickets than the previous year. They also saw its subscriber base grow from 52,000 to 113,000 subscribers in as little as a year, which represented a 118% increase right after implementing the email marketing strategy. MailAgen. MailAgen is an email marketing and automation service provider with several offices around the world. Objective: the company's objective was to improve its email open rates, which were close to the average of 10% to 20% seen in the e-commerce and media industries. Strategy: MailAgen opted to implement deep behavioral segmentation. Its strategy was to group subscribers that weren't opening its emails into a segment, to which it resent the unopened emails with an improved headline. Results: the company was able to go from a 20% increase to a 29% increase after implementing the improved headline strategy.